Hello everybody, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my YouTube channel Being Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing well, taking care of yourselves, especially during this pandemic. That is, wearing your mask when you're stepping out, washing your hands frequently, and most importantly, staying at home, staying safe. Okay, so people, whenever I come up with a video, I try to, share informative content with you, promising content with you, and interesting content with you. Okay, so let's start by sharing a scenario with you guys. Okay, so whenever I go to a parlor, especially to do a facial or a cleanup, one thought that constantly dominates my mind post facial is that, yeah, I'm feeling so relaxed, I'm feeling so what do you say, calm, stress free. I should do this often, and I should do this often. And the constant and the common question, rather I would say, the parlor wali auntie asks me is like, तन्वी कैसा लगा आपको फेशियल, आपको अच्छा लगा, मतलब रिलैक्सिंग लगा? एंड आई एम लाइक, आंटी बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत रिलैक्सिंग लगा, सच्ची में सारा स्ट्रेस चला गया. Okay, so the point of telling you this is that this story is that today's video is relatable to this. Okay, and I will be sharing with you guys the different ways and different techniques in which one can do facial massage. Okay, now facial massages, I think the people feel that you can only do it once you go to a parlor, you have to visit a parlor to do that, or you have to go to a spa to do that. But this is like something which you can do sitting at your home, giving like spending like 10-15 minutes here and there from your daily routine to, in order to maintain like a good skin. I mean, people, in order to maintain a good body, the way like a healthy body, people go to gym, they follow a strict diet, they do this and they do that. But your face, I believe that face is your identity. It's something that represents you. So it's very important to indulge yourself into facial exercises or facial, massage, which thereby gives you, a relaxing and a calm feeling, which makes you even more productive, I believe. So today I will be sharing with you such simple techniques. Nothing, no tools, and nothing is required of that sort. Only 10-15 minutes of your time. Okay, so one prerequisite before doing facial massage is that you need to apply any kind of a moisturizer, cream, serum, be it a vitamin C serum, or any kind of a, something that keeps your face nicely moisturized, so that whenever you're doing this kind of exercises, you feel that glide is there, that slide is there, so the massage happens more comfortably and more smoothly. Okay, so let's get started. I am using L'Oreal Hydra Genius aloe vera water in this. Okay, so this much amount I've taken, not much, because it gives you a nice smooth finish. Okay, I mean, facial massages are so underrated that people do not feel the importance of doing it. And this is just basic massages. Okay, something that I've picked up from my parlor wali auntie. Okay, I'm a very observant person, and I always like to observe different things. So I picked it up from her, and I've named them so that it's better for you to guys, it's relatable with the name itself. Okay, so I have sufficiently moisturized my face and my neck area. Okay, I'll just wear a hairband. Okay, so first one is like, you need to just warm up your this particular portion. So I'll just indulge in a little bit of exercises which are not too much difficult for you. I'm just doing this in order to remove stiffness. Okay, so the first and foremost technique is jaw sculpting. You do not need any tools to do this. Okay, what you need to do is you need to just take place your this the line of your jaw in between this gap. Okay, you need to do both the sides, left and your right, for 1 minute each. Okay. If you want to do it for more than a minute, then it's completely fine, and then you can go both the ways. Just pull it from down and then straight up and give a little pressure here, from down to up and a little pressure here. You don't have to be too much hard on yourself. Okay, you just do it very easily. And that's it. And like, once you start doing this, you automatically feel that, you know, the tension which is there, which is in this particular area, you suddenly feel like very relaxed and very calm. Right now I'm feeling like that now. Okay, second technique is off cheek pulling. All right, we'll just start from left hand side to right hand side. Okay. I'm coming from downward to upward motion and just pressing here. Then same thing you do with your right hand side. This you have to do for a minute each for one cheek. Okay, then is the forehead sculpting, I call it. Same, I'm going to use the knuckles here so that they give you a good grip. Okay, I'll start from the eyebrow bone and then I'll head to the forehead, and this is pretty relaxing, I promise you. Starting from the middle of the forehead to the end, and then just pressing it here, middle of the forehead, ending it here, just giving a slight press, not too much of a press. Wow, this is so relaxing. And then we move a little bit of upward, again from down, just little pressure on the side, slowly and steadily stepping up, and you cover your forehead when you do that. Okay, you do this for a minute, and this is forehead sculpting, which is very easy. I'm not using anything. Okay, the next is like the neck pulling, I can say. You just have to start moving your fingers from down, from the base of your neck to the start of your jawline. All right. This is how you feel. Okay, you feel really good, you really feel relaxed after doing this. And the last technique which I can say is eye opener. Eye opener as in not last, second last, yeah. Eye opener as in, if you feel like when you get up in the morning and if you feel like your eyes are still feeling puffy and they are not like awake and you're still feeling puffy, I do this particular thing. Okay, that is, I just hold this hand, I'm just holding this hand here, and then I am like just pulling this thing downward very smoothly, very gently, without being too harsh on myself. Y'all can just have a look. Then I go down, okay, slowly and smoothly I go here, then I move my hand here, and then I just glide downwards. Then I go near my eyebrow bone, and then I go this side, and then so the same thing I will repeat this side. I'll just hold my hand here, and then I'll just pull my hand, this particular hand here, in the downward direction without putting a lot of pressure. And you have to do it very gently. Remember, you have to do it very gently. And then you place this hand here, and then like you're covering an entire eye basically, okay, the skin near it. Same goes here. Then you take your hand here, and then you okay. And the next technique is face tapping. You just don't have to do much in this. You just have to tap 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 tap. That's it. So it is not, these things were not even difficult. It barely takes 10 minutes of your time, 10 to 12 minutes if you do it religiously, okay. So the importance of doing a facial massage is that if you are practicing this on a daily basis, okay, it releases automatically. Like now I'm doing, while I was doing this, I felt so relaxed. There is a lot of blood circulation which happens the moment you start giving a massage on your face. If there is blood circulation, then definitely skin is getting more oxygen. If skin is getting more oxygen, is able to absorb more nutrients, and it is great for your skin, which is the reason why whenever you go for a facial and when you get a massage done, you feel your skin feels rejuvenated. It feels more glowing. The texture of your skin is improved, and the stress which is there in your accumulated, I can say, in your facial muscles. Stress is always not there in the mind, okay. There are so many even your face goes through a lot of stress, especially this particular, the behind of your neck, okay, and especially this particular portion. So it's very important to get indulge yourself into this facial massage, this kind of different techniques of facial massage, which will give you definitely give you a good skin, a healthy skin in the long run, and the benefits are undoubtedly good, okay. So I hope you find today's video informative. You really like today's video. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. Alright, till then, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.